A long time ago, there were lots of people on earth, but many of them were not nice. This made God very sad.
There was only one good man named Noah. God loved Noah for being kind and good.
God told Noah, "I'm going to clean up the earth and will save only you and your family.
Also, gather lots of food for everyone."
God told Noah that in 7 days, it would rain for 40 days and 40 nights, and there would be a big flood.
God asked Noah to build a huge boat called the ark.
God asked Noah to build a huge boat called the ark. He said, "Bring your family and 2 of every kind of animal onto the ark."
Noah did everything God asked. He built the big boat,
Gathered 2 of every animal, collected food, and got inside the ark with his family.
Then the rain started.
It rained and rained for 40 days and 40 nights. But Noah, his family, and all the animals were safe and dry inside the ark.
After the rain stopped, Noah wanted to see if the land was dry. He sent out a dove every day. For a while, the dove came back with nothing.
Then one day, the dove returned with an olive leaf. Noah knew that the earth was drying out.
Finally, after a year, Noah, his family, and all the animals left the ark. They were very happy to be back on dry land. God had saved them, and they were safe and sound.
All the bad people were gone, and Noah's family was ready to start fresh on the beautiful, clean earth.